Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be going through a lesson. Lesson we is on short and long multiplication. So some kids really should have mastered this in year 4. Sometimes they don't go through this, so we're going to go through that to make sure you understand everything all. So let's spin up a whiteboard. Let's start with short multiplication. So we've got here 24 times 2, simple one. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So basically, we went through. This is the first step, number 1, and then we did step number 2. Is that okay? Great. So 48, nice and easy. Let's do one which you have to carry over. So let's do. So So 34 times 5. So again, we do 5 times 4, which is 20. So you put the units here and carry the 2. So carry the 20, the 2 in the 20. Put it out at the top right so you don't lose it. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 2 you carried over, which is 17. So what, 17 there. And just cross this out. You used it. That's it, 70. Okay, it's nice and easy. That's short multiplication. Let's do long double digits multiplication. So let's do one without any carryover. So 12 times 30. So right. So first of all, we're going to do this first. 2 times 3, which equals, so that's 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we're going to do step 2. So exactly the same before. Exactly the same before. You're doing that. You cover up the white. You basically cover up this here. Cover up that. Cover up that. So let's put a different color. So you cover it. Pretend it doesn't exist, and you do 12 times 3. Okay. So now we've done 3 times 2, which is 6. Now we do 3 times 1, which is 3. Let's do color. Yeah, 3. Okay, that's that one there. Now you're going. So now you go into. Let's do that here. Just recap what we just done. So without the lines. So we did so far. Step 1 and 2 was 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. That's all we've done. Now we're going to do step 3 and 4. So first thing we do is put magic 0 here, magic 0, because we're moving to the tens column. So don't forget that, magic 0. Now you're going to do that's step 3 and step 4. So step 3 is going to be 1 times 2, which is 3, which is 2, and then 1 times 1, which is 1. And finally, step 5 is you add these 2 columns, add these 2 rows. So 6 adds 0 is 6, 3 add 2 is 5, and then 156. Okay, great. So that's double digits. Let's do another example. This time we're gonna carry we're gonna use where you have to use carryovers. So let's do 15 times 12. It's 4 is 12. Okay. Make it a bit smaller so we can carry it. Okay. So we're going to do 2 times 5 first. So you first thing you do is basically cover up the 4. You cover up this. You cover up this. You put and you do 2 times 5 and 2 times 1. So you cover up that. Okay. So 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Add the 1 is 3. Okay. Now we're going to cover up this side. Right, let's cross this out because we've used it. So use that. Okay. So now I'm going to cover up the 2 and do 4 times 5 and 4 times 1. But before we do that, we're going to use this. We're going to put a magic 0 here. So don't forget a magic 0. Most kids forget this. Okay. So don't forget magic 0. And then we're going to do 4 times 5, which is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 1, which is 4. Add the 2 is 6. And then the final step, step 5, add these two rows up. 0, 3, 6. So just make sure that's right. Yeah, 630. Great. And then that's how you do it. And let's do one with 3 digits just to make sure you understand that. So you won't get this, but it's just in case you do. Okay, first of all, you cover up all of this, cover up that. And you do 3 times 2, 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So let's do 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Then you're going to put going to go to the next line, which is the tens column. The tens column means you have to add a 0. So this is 1 magic 0. And then you cover up this, and this. You do 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So let's do that. So 2 times 2. Let's do a different color so we don't mess up. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and let's move up a bit. Okay, so we've done that now. Now I'm going to do the hundreds columns. That means we're going to have let's do, what color should we choose? Oh, let's do green. So the hundreds column is going to be 2 zeros. So we're going to have 2 magic zeros. So 2 magic zeros. Okay, so, and then what we're going to cover up? We're going to cover up this and this. And we do 1 times 2, 1 times 1, 1 times 3. So let's do 1 time. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. And then we're going to add all these lines up. 6, 7, 4 add 9 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 add 1 add 2 is 8 and 3. So let's just check. 1, 2. 38376. That's right. So no mistakes there. Okay, and that includes our short multiplication and long multiplication. And we'll end it there.